Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories, the podcast where learning English is always fun, friendly, and useful. Let me ask you a question. What's your favorite place to spend a weekend afternoon? The park? The beach? Or the mall? Yes, the shopping mall. The magical place where you can eat, shop, meet friends, and maybe buy things you don't really need. Today, we're going to the mall, not just to shop, but to learn real English you can use in everyday life. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to ask for help, buy things, order food, and talk politely at the mall, all in simple, easy English. So grab your shopping bag and let's go. The mall is a great place to practice English because it's full of real-life situations. You see signs, talk to people, buy food, read menus. It's like an English classroom with better lighting and pizza. So today, let's imagine a full day at the mall together. Morning, afternoon, and evening. Ready? Let's start. It's Saturday morning. You grab your wallet and phone, and you head to the mall. The doors open, and you hear music. It smells like coffee and popcorn. You take a deep breath and say, "Ah, weekend life." Now you want to buy some clothes. You walk into a clothing store. The shop assistant smiles and says, "Hi there, can I help you?" You can answer, "Yes, please. I'm looking for a t-shirt." Or, "No, thank you. I'm just looking." The word looking means browsing, just walking around and checking things out. You see a nice blue t-shirt. You hold it up and ask, "Excuse me, do you have this in medium?" If you want another color, say, "Do you have this in red?" The assistant smiles and says, "Let me check for you." A few minutes later, lucky you, they find your size. Now you can say, "Thank you, I'll try it on." You go to the fitting room, the small room where you try on clothes. You look in the mirror. Not bad, but maybe a little small. You walk out and say, "It's too tight. Do you have a larger size?" Or maybe it's too big. "It's too loose. Do you have a smaller one?" Finally, you find the perfect fit. You smile at yourself and say, "It fits perfectly. I'll take it." "I'll take it" means you want to buy it. You walk to the cashier, the person who takes your money. They ask, "Just this?" You answer, "Yes, just this, please." Then they say, "That's $20. You can pay in two ways: cash, please, or card, please. They give you a small paper. That's your receipt. Always keep it, just in case you want to return something later. Shopping makes you hungry. Now, it's time for food. You follow the smell of pizza and fries to the food court. The food court is a big area with many small restaurants and tables. You look at the menu and say, "Can I have one slice of pepperoni pizza, please?" The cashier smiles and says, "Sure. Anything to drink?" You, "Yes, a bottle of water, please." They tell you the price. "That'll be $8. You pay, take your tray, and find a table. You sit, take your first bite, and say, This is delicious." Next to you, people are eating burgers, noodles, or ice cream. The food court is full of sounds, talking, laughing, and the beeping of cash registers. It feels alive and fun. After eating, you still have energy. What should you do next? Maybe you go to the bookstore. You walk in, and it smells like paper and coffee. Such a nice smell. You look at some English books and say, "Wow, maybe I'll buy this one to practice." Or maybe you go to the cinema, the movie theater inside the mall. You buy a ticket and popcorn. The cashier says, "Enjoy your movie." You smile and say, "Thank you." After the movie, you walk around a little more. You see a sign, "Sale, 50% off." You stop, think for 2 seconds, and then say to yourself, "Okay, maybe just one more store." Yes, we all know that feeling. Let's review some helpful English from our trip to the mall. Try on. To put on clothes to see if they fit. I want to try on this jacket. It fits perfectly. It's the right size. This shirt fits perfectly. Cashier, person who takes your money. The cashier gave me a receipt. Food court, area with many small restaurants. Let's meet at the food court. Receipt, paper that shows what you bought. Keep your receipt to return the item. Sale, when prices are cheaper. There's a big sale this weekend. Now, let's practice. Can you say 2 or 3 sentences about your mall experience in English? Here are some ideas. I go to the mall every weekend. I like to eat pizza at the food court. I buy new clothes when there is a sale. Or write a short paragraph like this. I went to the mall last Saturday. I bought a blue t-shirt. I ate pizza and watched a movie. It was a fun day. So today we practiced real-life English at the mall. We talked about shopping, eating, and having fun, all using simple, polite English. Remember, the mall isn't just for buying things. It's also a great place to practice English, to read signs, order food, ask for help, and talk to people. Every small conversation helps you grow. So next time you go to the mall, don't be shy. Try using English. Thank you so much for listening to Daily English Listening Stories. If you liked this episode, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. And tell me in the comments, what do you like most about the mall? The food, the clothes, the people? Until next time, happy shopping and happy learning.